I'm Chris Woodfield, one of the members of the Hackathon committee. The Hackathon has been a regular event from, I think, 2016. We've been doing it most now meetings ever since. This time we took a different format. We've always been experimenting, iterating on the types of things that we would invite the hackers to do. And we made some changes this time, which I'll go out. First off, I wanted to thank our sponsors. First off, Flex Optics. Thank you, Thomas. And also our in-kind sponsor, AWS, which supplied usage credits for the virtual labs that we utilize for the Hackathon event. Honorable mentions, Container Lab that we use extensively, Docker, CTFD, Juniper, and Arista Networks, all of whom contribute tools and free and resources for us to make this hackathon happen. So what did we do differently this time? We did a CTF style capture the flag. CTF is capture the flag competition. We invited teams to solve a variety of network problems, which basically means that we gave each team broken networks and invited them to fix them. We presented a set of scenarios, and each topology had some issue or some missing feature that needed to be implemented by the competing teams. And in true capture the flag style, first team to fix all the networks wins. Points scored for each scenario, and then we track the scores and the time from there. We had a number of different scenarios. One of which was inconsistent IPv6 announcements, which required some policy fixes and some broken adjacencies. Giving two sides of a BGP here the same IP address is harder to spot than one might think. But the teams were able to work through that one. We had another scenario where we needed a VXLAN EVPN adjacency configured and verified to work in a simple spine leaf topology. And the third was an RPKI challenge where we created a new environment and servers that were attempting to stream the Super Bowl, and they couldn't because of bad RPKI filtering. So the challenge was to find the issue with find the reason why, which turned out to be RPKI filtering and accidental black holing, and all of these were not simple challenges, but the teams were able to work through them, and we had a refreshing and surprising amount of success with these. So note to self, make next hackathon's challenges a little bit harder, maybe. So what did we learn? We had a very high engagement in the room. We were really happy with the energy in the room, the participants, and the level of engagement that we had. Participants had a lot of fun. They asked for more challenges. We will work towards providing more challenges for next time. Lessons learned, CTFD, strip new lines in the syntax matching in CTFD. If anyone's familiar with that, it's a tool that's used where a team, once they have their flag, they can enter it in the tool to log their success. In this case, the flag was a successful ping, not ping, successful route advertisement. Next time we did test Windows client access, that was an issue, so apologies to the Windows users. We also realized that Hackathon might not be the best branding for this format if we continue to use this format. So because we focused more on a network operations focus as opposed to the automation and software focus that we've had in the past. So we may see this being rebranded in the future. So starting with the teams, and this is the time where I have to pull up my phone where I have the list of the people behind these teams. Oh geez, So the first team is the Stellar AF team. Matt Love and Wes Hall. Are you in the room? Okay. Well, come on up. We've got a prize for you. Which one of these is the fan? So these are Raspberry Pis. The color might be familiar. So thank you for Thomas for providing the prizes. So are these going to be showing up on your online store anytime soon?
I'm not quite sure.
Okay.
They're special.
So there's that. All right. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Matt.
Yeah, only one team, unfortunately. Second place is the team Zipley, and they received their prize already. They couldn't stay for this. That number 3 was ID Key Some Team Name. That is Aaron Roth. Are you in here? Yep. Oh, there's also the rest of that. So, yeah. All right. So,
thank
you.
Well done.
And one more. Okay. So team number 4, the Bridging Gap Protocol team, Nathan Wilson. Are you here? Yes. Thank you. There you go. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay. And the last one goes to the ECMP Advocates team, who is not present in the room right now. We'll be shipping them their Raspberry Pi. So thank you to all the teams. And one too far. So yeah, some of our participants had to leave virtually, and thank you all for your participation. Congratulations, and we hope to see you all for the next hackathon or whatever we choose to rebrand it to next time. Thank you.